is Joshua Dearden. Thanks for watching Dearden 2007 on YouTube.
Hello everybody, this is Joshua Dearden. As you all know, I'm back for another video.
Hello everybody, this is Joshua Dearden. As you all know, I'm back.
Oh my god. So, somebody had to go.
The aftertaste. Bleh.
I gutted the walls in the kitchen. Got a new stove. I've got to take the plaster and the drywall out of that side too. Put in new insulation and drywall. Take out I gotta take out all the lath and plaster in here. The ceiling needs completely redone. These boards need to come off. Need to put a new door in here. These are new windows, so these are fine, but all this is coming down. All this crap. But the ceiling, the electric needs a new breaker box. Just everything needs done. This whole house is going to be gutted and redone. And back here in the back bedroom, we got water damage. You can tell that the ceiling is caving. After I took out all the ceiling tiles, I've got electric here that, eventually has to come down, but I took down all the ceiling tile. It's hardwood floors. I'm gonna be putting a ton of money into this place. All the crap that was in here before, oh my God, was it bad. The one issue is the hot water heater is rusted out, so they couldn't light it. This whole thing needs replaced. I got laundry service. I got laundry hookups, but this wall is just ghetto. Needs new electrical, new breaker, whole bunch of issues. We had to repair the piping after I gutted out the kitchen cabinets because they were disgusting. The fridge had to go, the stove had to go, they were all bad. I've been doing a lot of work here. When I was removing the kitchen sink, a pipe cracked. So plumbing service had to come out and tear a hole, and they had to tear a hole in the floor. So I did some ghetto work, but I think it looks pretty good. I covered the hole because there is a huge hole here, a humongous hole here. So I covered it with this nice little piece of wood, bolted it down, and or not bolted it down, sorry. used some screws and screwed it down to the hardwood floor. I'm gonna have to get new flooring. Eventually, this whole wall's gonna come out. I was gonna put new drywall, just cover up all the drafting because there's a lot of drafts. I got a new stove. Thank you, Mike's Rent to Own. And a new fridge. Thank you, Mike's Rent to Own. But this ghetto wall, whatever the heck it is, this ghetto wall, all this crap's gonna come down. It needs just new electrical all the way throughout. But this floor ain't too bad. Got a small mouse problem. I've killed 2 already. Working on a 3rd sneaky little runt. Got a new couch. Thank you. Something home imprint. I forgot. I gotta pay them $11. But anyways, brought my DVD shelf the other day, or should I say last night. And I'm probably gonna put it in that back corner right over here. Yeah, so a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. But in such a short time that I've been here, I've made some minor yet sufficient improvements to the place. Getting rid of all that nasty crap that was on the walls. I mean, the electrical is... The guy told me, the plumber, that they do electric also. And a guy named Andy, I think, I can't remember, he came and did a estimate, and he said these electric lines are not up to code. This is done all wrong, and this plaster is just nasty. I'm getting ready to take it all out. I gutted the walls here. I mean, I just need new electrical all throughout the house. We're talking no minor feat. This is going to be an expensive thing, but it's a home. It's my home. Look for updates. Thought I'd share it with my friends and family, give you an idea of what I'm doing, what needs to be done, and hopefully you all will enjoy the progress that you see as the time goes. Yeah, so things are coming together slowly but surely. The bathroom, it's already been gutted before I ever came in here. They at one point in time had curtain over here. I mean, you can tell, I don't know what they were doing, but it's not snug up against the wall, but all this lath has to come out, all this plaster, all of it has to come out. Just new walls. I mean, this mirror is up against this backboard, no drywall, no nothing, just covered. But my plan is to take out this whole bathtub. Just take it all out. That unfortunately has to stay there. I'm guessing it's forced air for sewage is what they told me. So that's going to be covered by wood or something. And this bathtub's coming out. I plan on putting like a full stand-up shower. Kimberly's trying to talk me into putting a new tub also, because she enjoys baths while I specifically enjoy showers. All this crap ceiling that's got some kind of water damage going here has to come out. Just the tile. There's something wrong with the floor here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's, you can push it down. That means there's something wrong. My guess is water damage. Flush the toilet here. So somebody forgot to do that. But yeah, we've been doing a lot of cleaning and organizing and trying to make the place a home. Kimberly's been helping me from time to time when she's here. But yeah, this home is a definite work in progress. The bedroom, oh boy, the bedroom, oh boy. Let's see, the walls have been lifted. When they installed satellite, they just tore a hole through the wall. So there's a big hole with a big draft coming in right there. That's always interesting. All these walls have got to come down. I'm gutting, cleaning, redoing. This whole wall has to come down. So, I mean, like I said, it's all this ceiling tile. I don't know what the hell's going on there, but it ain't pretty. All these ceiling tiles got to come out. Got to put new drywall. I've got to cut down this wall because there's a draft coming through here. This is just some kind of crap plaster. And when I drilled holes in the wall, it caused this plaster to pop out when I was just trying to put my awesome Dragon Ball Super, Dragon Ball Z Resurrection X in the wall. That wall came back with it when I tried to hang up the clock. It came back. Just wasn't pretty. So Kimberly's fighting me tooth and nail. She wants me to keep this floor. I might consider it, but I'm really not into the idea of doing it. I want to do to the kitchen floor what my mom did to her kitchen floor. She has some white fancy tile all throughout the kitchen, and that's what I want. So I'm gonna secure, I'm gonna put a new door here, because that back door is, not even gonna talk about it. This door is old and rustic and nasty and just needs a door here into this bedroom. All my shit. But yeah, it's a work in progress. Over time, I'll update you guys. Over time, I will give you updates and let you see the new improvements I'm making. I hope you'll follow. I hope you'll enjoy the updates. I'm no Mike Holmes by any means, but I'm learning. And the front door is going to be replaced. It's gone. It needs just a whole new door. I want my house to be secure, comfortable, and energy efficient. The good news about the windows, on the other hand, before I moved in, they spent over $5,000 to put new windows all throughout. So the windows are in tip-top shape. Not a big fan of the big bay window, but over time I'll maybe put some bars over it or something. So I can't afford $1,000 to replace the window. So we will go one step at a time. Hope you enjoy the work, the progress, the updates, and please message me, comment below on the pictures, the videos. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. And we'll go from there. Bye. Sit still.
Hello, everybody out there on YouTube. This is Joshua Dearden. Thanks for watching Dearden 2007.